In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a cron job in your HostGator account to automate tasks on your WordPress site. If you're looking for a way to ensure that your WordPress scheduled tasks run smoothly without any manual intervention, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. The first thing you need to do is log into your HostGator cPanel account. You can do this by navigating to HostGator's website and entering your login credentials in the customer portal. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the cPanel dashboard, the hub where you can manage all aspects of your hosting account. Start by scrolling down the page until you reach the section labeled Advanced. This area includes a variety of tools intended for users who want more control over their website functionality. Within this section, you'll find an icon labeled Cron Jobs. Go ahead and click on this icon. Cron Jobs are an invaluable feature that allows you to schedule commands or scripts like WordPress tasks to run automatically at specified times and intervals. After clicking into the Cron Jobs tool, you'll be greeted with a simple interface. Look for the area called Add New Cron Job. This is where you'll be able to set the parameters for your cron job, determining exactly when and how often it should run. You'll see several drop-down options here which allow you to select the desired interval for the cron job. This is a critical step as the interval determines how frequently the task will execute. You can set it to run every hour or maybe daily. It's entirely up to you and your specific needs. Next, you need to enter the command, which is the action that will be automated. In the command box, type in the WordPress cron command. This is usually something like dujet qo https://yourdomain.com/wp-cron.php $doing _wp_cron/dev/null2 and 1. Be sure to replace yourdomain.com with your actual WordPress domain name. This command ensures that your WordPress site's scheduled tasks are triggered at the intervals you've selected. Finally, after confirming that everything looks correct, click the Add New Cron Job button to save your settings. Once you do this, your WordPress site will begin to operate your scheduled tasks automatically, without the need for you to check in manually to get things running. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a cron job in HostGator to automate WordPress tasks. This small adjustment can save you a significant amount of time and help you maintain an efficient website. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on managing your website. Thanks for watching and happy automating.